Back in May, Sound Effect presented an evening of storytelling and music at Town Hall in Seattle.
Our show, Sound Effect, it's kind of about a way of looking at the Pacific Northwest and about the people that we live among. Any of those people, if you grab them and you turn them upside down, you shake them a little bit, a story's probably going to fall out.
If you missed it, well, you're in luck because we recorded that event and you can hear it this Saturday. It's a 2-hour special edition of Sound Effect, and it all gets started at 10 a.m. Tune in to the show that tells stories inspired by the place we live here on 88.5 KNKX.